So I've been watching Breaking Bad and I noticed the iconic intro. I thought, can I make this intro in Davinci Resolve? Of course I can. So I spent 3 days and made this. Let me give you a quick breakdown of how I made it and how you can create your own version very easily. First, let's start with all this text. Take a text note and write some text. Then add an image plane 3D and a render 3D. View the render 3D and select the text node to move the text wherever you want. Then in image plane 3D, animate the Z value. Once the first text is done, copy the text and the image plane 3D node and paste it 5 times. Then add a merge 3D and connect all these nodes to merge 3D and then to render 3D. Now just change the text of all these text nodes and the position of each text node and you're done. Now we are going to make the main title. First, I downloaded a chemist chart from the internet. I sliced it into 2 pieces and made some holes and then created this box for the main text. Then I positioned the box in the hole. Again, we used an image plane 3D and animate the Z value, but we don't want the box to keep going. We want the box to stop right here. So I'm going to make a copy of this image plane 3D and add a keyframe right where I want it to stop and then delete the rest of the keyframe. Very nice. Now after the box image, add two text nodes, one for BR and the other one for aching. Now in the text node, go to layout and use the X and Y value to position it correctly. Then you have to do the same thing for the second word. I'm gonna skip that. Now finally you have to add a smoke, change the color and add a mask to the main title, and then finally your intro is ready. But I don't think any one of you want to make it from the scratch, so here's the project file. Just download it from my Patreon and open it. Then you have to open this main title in Fusion. And here you will find all these text nodes. These are the one who plays at the beginning, all this text. And here you will find the main title. Just change the name to whatever you want and that's pretty much it. And oh, if any one of you want to make the title like mine and the main text in the center, all you need to do is go to the layout section of the second word and then change the X value to move it to the left side of the box. And then after all these nodes, just add a transform 3D and use the X value to move the box to the center and you're done. Goodbye.